What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got a quick one for you today. I am going to show you how to make your own inner wheel guards for your whatever car. I'm going to do it on the Supra, but don't be discouraged because this is a Supra video. It's not. I'm just using that as a base. I don't actually have, sorry, 2 seconds. I don't actually have the inner wheel guards for those, and they're hundreds and hundreds of dollars, and my wheels hit on them. So I'm going to make my own custom ones so that my wheels don't hit and the wheel guard is, like the inner wheel guard is protected. Now these aren't going to be all the way over, they're just going to be kind of front and back so my wheel can go nice and deep. But obviously I need to stop stones and so on going into the door shut and out into the front bumper and things like that. So let's strap on in and get this done. Alright, so what you're going to need is, this is just some roof flashing. Got it from Bunnings. You can get all different thicknesses. This is 300 I think, and you can get like 450, you can get 250, things like that. I got the 300 because it's probably what I'm going to need. And then you're just going to need some speed clips and a pair of scissors really. And then you're going to have a play like I did here. You'll get your rough kind of cutout and size of it and where you're going to have to mount, and then you can mount it up in place. So for example, I've got a screw hole down here. I'm using this one, I'm using this one. That's a factory one back there. And then there's a factory one up here as well. I'm really hoping my tire doesn't touch on that. It shouldn't do, I should be safe. But yeah, fingers crossed. So that's pretty much it. You're just gonna cut it to size. I put it in as just a rectangle and then cut down here a piece, pulled it in, you know, pulled back down to this corner, things like that. And then it's as simple as, oh, you're gonna need some drill bits as well. So I started with obviously the smaller drill bits, drilled through the fiberglass where I needed to, drilled through the actual, the black sheathing where I needed to, and then just fit up the speedy clips and got it in place. So I'm just gonna go and make up the other one, and then I'll install this one so show you exactly where it is, what it looks like, how it sits. The other side I can't do because we've actually got the side skirt still setting with the glue, but I'll put that one in and I'll show you that as well in a later point in the video. So these vents go in front of the rear tyres. You probably know if you've got a Supra, any cars that have this, you'll probably need to block that off with the flashing as well. If you have changed the side skirts like I have, the vent normally comes through there, but these Dulux side skirts don't have vents, so I had to lock it up. So I hope that was helpful, guys. Look, I know the factory wheel well liners are perfectly molded and everything. So if you've got those, try and maybe modify those if you want to, if they're not crazy expensive like mine. But I just found that this really finished everything off. And like you could see on my driver's side, I think I put it in, if not just under the actual factory wheel well liner, there was like a gap like this big that rocks and stuff can fly up into kind of the door hinge area. And previously, like on my old paint job and everything, old side skirts, rocks would go up in there. You'd open the door and then it'd just go and like crunch against your body kit, and it actually like damaged the bottom side of the door ever so slightly, just like it rubbed the paint off. So there was a little bit of surface rust there. So we fixed all that in the paint job, but obviously don't want that to happen again. And now that the kit's all brand new and painted and beautiful, don't want any rocks in there. So yeah, it was really important for me to fill those before I drive it at all. So I hope that, you know, I hope you guys can do something like that as well. I haven't done the front ones on the front bumper because I wanted to get it home. I needed some more speedy clips, things like that. Ran out of speedy clips. So I'll be doing that in the future. You guys don't have to worry about that. I'll probably just put it on Instagram and show you that they're all done. But yeah, very cheap, very very quick and easy to do, and super customizable. So, you know, if you've got some custom wheels, if you've got some custom kit, whatever, you can make it work. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.